making some progress on the cover. I'm going to give you some feedback now. And the first thing is the masthead. It looks a little better without the stars. However, and you picked a really nice font, but I would make it bigger like you had before. It's a little too small. Also, where the date line is, remove the box. There's a stroke on it, and move it up tighter to the masthead. There's too much space here. And I would relocate the barcode and make it smaller and move it here down to the right corner and make it really tiny. It's too much of a focal point up there on the left. With your flash, you need to realign the type. Keep night sky on one line, even if it's a little smaller, and guide on the other. The way that the line is broken up isn't working. And I would actually move this up too, even if it's covering the masthead a little bit once you make it bigger. Overlapping things is okay as long as it's done in the right way. This eye illustration, I would see if there's a way that you can overlap the lashes over the image here in the middle. And you could make it, I guess it's a good size. We'll have to see what happens when you move these elements around. But it is much better. You're using two different fonts here. I like the left alignment, but I would move the type down a little bit so it's not on top of the eye. And also where the line breaks here, I would, the sunlight and beyond, looking at the sunlight, and then I would put how stars are formed on the next line. And there's too much space here. Keep all the spacing even, because down here you then leave a space between the headline and the subhead. All right, so realign that. And also there's a lot of spelling mistakes, so be very conscious of that. I'm not really sure what's going on here with the telescope. If anything, I would move it down, so you may want to make this eye illustration a little smaller. And again, left align. I'm not sure if this is centered, and this type is left align. And you're using two different fonts. I don't know if that was a mistake or not. But again, you're making some progress.